guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I am so glad you guys are back for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my beach bag, but more importantly I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to pack a beach bag, my essentials, and some hacks for going to the beach, because at this point in my life I'm officially a beach professional. When you grow up here, it becomes pretty simple stuff. I also would like to say thank you to Ocean Potion for sponsoring this video. I have used their sunscreen products since I was little, but they recently did a rebrand. Now it has a new scent. Oh my gosh, this stuff's amazing. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I use their different products before, during, and after being in the sun, as well as a few cool DIYs that you can do with your sunscreen. So let's get started. My first trick is to always line a beach bag with a trash bag, because you don't want to get sand in your cute bag and no one's gonna know that you've got a trash bag holding all of your stuff. So that way after the beach, when you need to put things back in, if there's sand on it, it's going right into the trash bag. So let's talk sun protection. Ocean Potion has an amazing line of sun care products. We're gonna be talking about a few of my favorites today, but what's really amazing about their products is that they all have UVA, UVB protection. They're made from deep sea minerals, sea kelp, algae, aloe vera extracts. They even contain antioxidants, vitamin B, C, and E. And it's non-greasy and sheer. Plus, everybody in my family was stealing this from me this summer because it smells like an orange creamsicle. Ocean Potion is also free of PABA, parabens, octinoxate, retinol palmitate, propylene glycol, gluten, BHT, and they do not test their products on animals. Now, I always wear sunscreen when I'm out in the sun, whether I'm at the beach, running, or just even out in my car. I will apply sunscreen 15 minutes before I go anywhere. So I apply 1 to 2 teaspoons of sunscreen to where I will be exposed. It's usually my face. It burns very quickly. And then I always reapply after towel drying every 80 minutes or so. And of course, you need to continue to apply as long as you're in the sun. What I love about Ocean Potion's formula is the key ingredients are nourishing and moisturizing to the skin, but it doesn't feel greasy or sticky. I actually enjoy putting it on, not only because it smells so good, but it actually makes my skin feel amazing. Ocean Potion is giving you guys a chance to win their beach day every day for a chance to win a trip to South Beach, Miami, Florida. You could win a 4-day, 3-night stay at one of the hottest hotels in South Beach for you and 2 friends. Just use hashtag OP Beach Day every day. The giveaway ends on August 17th, so make sure you guys check it out. I also keep all of my products and electronics in plastic bags. It keeps it free from water and sand. And then when you go to apply, you can use the bag to wrap the bottle so that way your hands are not directly touching it, keeping everything nice and clean. Now let's talk surf snacks. So I like to bring things to the beach that I can just snack on throughout the day, especially if I don't have a cooler. If you guys save the coffee creamer containers, they make the perfect thing to take to the beach because you don't have to stick your hand into anything. You can just pour them out. You could even pour it right into your mouth if you really wanted to. So these 2 trail mix recipes are my favorite, but you can do whatever variety you prefer. So the first one is shredded, unsweetened coconut, raisins, sunflower seeds, raw almonds, raw pepitas, raw walnuts, freeze-dried apples, bananas, and pears, some dried pineapple, and some sugar-free raisins. Now the next one is super simple. It tastes like a healthy Reese's. It's raw cocoa nibs and dry roasted peanuts. So good. Now staying hydrated is super important on those hot summer days, and I'm going to share with you guys some of my tricks for hydration. The first thing you're going to want is something that is going to keep your drinks really cold, and I also need to have some caffeine during the day, and this is the perfect way to take your iced coffee because you do not want the ice to separate your creamer from your coffee. So the day before, or however many days you need it before, brew about 4 cups of coffee and add your creamer, add whatever sweetener you want, and freeze it into ice cube trays. Then the day that you're going to the beach or the pool, wherever, you guys can put the ice cubes into like a cooling thermos type of cup and then add a little bit more of your creamer that you like. And by the time you get to the beach and you're hanging out all day and you need that caffeine boost, your coffee will be perfect. Give it a little mix or a shake and you will be good to go. It's also important to carry water, so I always freeze water bottles, and that way if I'm not bringing a cooler, the frozen water bottles keep everything else in my bag pretty cold, and then they usually melt by the time I need them. For that extra sun protection, we are talking the outerwear. So sunglasses and hat, pretty standard stuff. I always have these 2 items with me. It's kind of just a thing. I've had this vintage Lewis Delaware hat forever. Now, if we want to step up the protection even more, I'm going to share with you guys this
DIY mermaid spray. This stuff's amazing. It smells amazing because Ocean Potion is in it, and rosemary, which gives it a little unique twist. But this stuff is amazing not only to protect your hair, but to make it soft and mermaidy and give you those beach waves. So to a glass or plastic spray bottle, add 4 ounces of warm water, a teaspoon of sea salt, and you're going to combat the dryness from the sea salt with your Ocean Potion Aloe. This is going to help restore the hair and make it nice and soft. But for the UV protection, we're going to be adding the Ocean Potion Sunscreen. You're going to add about a teaspoon and a half, and then a sprig of rosemary. It contains good nutrients for your hair. It's optional, but I really like it. And then give it a shake, and you are ready to go. Ditch the t-shirt and try a kimono. It is a great functional piece as a cover-up, but you can also wear it out if you're going straight from the beach to like dinner or out on the boardwalk. Now, to minimize sand in your shoes, all you need to do is get a climbing clip and hook it to your beach bag. And when you get to the beach and take off your flip-flops, hook it to the clip and then hang your beach bag on your chair so that way it is free from sand. So when people are walking around your little area, they're not going to kick sand onto your shoes. Now, we had an aloe plant growing up that we would use after being on the beach all day, but the Ocean Potion After Sun Gel with Aloe is enriched with sea plants and antioxidants to protect and nourish the skin. But for an even more indulging feeling after being out on the beach all day, I like to freeze my aloe. So you can use ice cube trays. Here I have some seashell-shaped, that's a tongue twister, seashell-shaped candy molds. And I just use about a teaspoon of aloe in each, freeze them, and then as I get off the beach, I just take 1 or 2 out and use that on my face and all over my body to help cool it, hydrate it, and it also helps extend your tan life. Now, I will have a full list of locations where you guys can purchase your own Ocean Potion products. You can also download the Ibotta app and save $2 off of an Ocean Potion sunscreen. You can check out oceanpotion.com for more information and see the full product line. And don't forget to check my social media because I will be having information on the Beach Day Everyday sweepstakes.
So that was everything in my beach bag. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I like to take to the beach, and hopefully you learned some tricks on how to make your stay or your time at the beach more enjoyable and a little bit less sandy in your steps. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button if you have not already and follow along on the social media. I will see you guys soon for my back to school videos and hope you're doing well. Bye.
I got swimming dogs in the night.
Before we go on the beach, guys, it smells so good.
It really does. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go shirtless. Yuck it. Summer bod. It's on my chest.
I think you're filming.
We're totally this way.
Sunscreen.
And we got like a beach ball.